Congratulations, everyone. Love to see it. Let's talk about the weather a little bit. You know, normally I would also love to see some sunshine, but I'll tell you why it makes me a little nervous today, because we do have a cold front that's getting ready to slide in tonight, and we had some rain earlier. Now we've got some sun, and that could actually help in making more storms, especially after the sun sets. It's heating up the ground right now. We're going to get that air to heat up, and we could see some convection redevelop. So don't let the sun that we've got right now fool you. We still have severe weather concerns, at least some isolated concerns, as we head into the evening. Right now, temperatures are still decently warm. We're at least in the 60s. Pineville now closer to 70, and we might warm up a little bit over the next hour or so. Notice the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center still has most of our area in that marginal risk. So while it's a low risk, it's not zero for isolated severe storms that could redevelop into this evening, especially after sundown. Notice we've been pushed into the slight risk, though, for our southwestern periphery, parts of the Virginia High Country, Tazewell County, Buchanan County, parts of McDowell also included in that slight risk. Now, you can't take the lines exactly too literally. A storm could definitely hop over some of these lines, but just be aware that we could still see some stronger storms before the night is over. Of course, the worst risk right now is well off to our southwest. If you've been following national news, you might have noticed we've got a major severe weather outbreak yet again across parts of Alabama, Mississippi, tornado warnings, flash flood warnings everywhere. Not exactly what they needed after we've already seen severe weather in the past few weeks there. Here, again, the risk is lower, but it's again not zero. You can see the first batch of rain that came through this morning moving off, but now we're getting that sun, which could again aid in a little bit of the heating in the atmosphere. Notice back to our southwest, we've still got all of this moisture still to work its way in. So again, don't take this break lightly. Make sure you're prepared. Stay weather aware into the evening. The cold front part of the system again will slide through overnight tonight. Now it will exit tomorrow. So tomorrow morning we'll really start to see things wind down. At least they should anyway. And by tomorrow afternoon we'll see some breaks of sun back or come back out. But until then, just kind of keep your wits about you into tonight. Let's take a look at Futurecast. Now I will say some of these short range models really not handling this system well. I've seen this thing get backed up a few hours, pushed a few hours. So just be prepared. We could see on and off showers and storms through the overnight hours. Some heavier isolated downpours, very gusty winds in general. You don't even have to have a storm to get those. It'll just be windy in general as this front's coming through, and it's going to stay windy into tomorrow. If we do get a storm, winds are still going to be the main threat. That's our main concern tonight, is gusty winds anywhere from 40 to over 60 miles an hour if you get one of those severe storms. Generally, we could have 40, 50 mile per hour gusts all night long. Hail not looking as likely, but we could see some isolated flooding, and I'm not going to rule out some rotation in these storms. Again, you can see the winds ramp up tonight. The rain ends again into Friday, but look how gusty we are through the day tomorrow. So be prepared. Make sure you hide the trash cans and all of that, anything that can blow away. We've got wind advisories out for the entire area, a high wind warning out for northwest Pocahontas County through tonight. Next chance of rain after today and early tomorrow won't be really until Saturday night into Sunday. So at least we get the first part of the weekend looking to be comfortable and dry. It'll be early next week that we get another round of rain, and next week kind of looking a little chilly at times and unsettled. Hey, stick with us. We'll be right back right after this break.